Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Canva and Aweber landing pages, you can add pie charts and bar graphs to your landing page in just a few clicks. You can use any landing page, either an existing image that's built into there or drag the image element, and then just use the Design in Canva drop-down menu. We're going to choose a square for this one. You can choose any size. But I want to direct your attention to the Elements tool in Canva, and we'll type in pie chart. Now, selecting from one of these first pie charts, we have the ability to edit this by changing around those colors, and even changing around the percentage amount. You just use that slide bar to kind of change that there. We can even display the actual percentage value. So literally, 4 or 5 clicks, hitting the save button, gets us a custom pie chart on our landing page. You can do this in emails too. Let's try something else. Let's go back in. Maybe you don't want a pie chart. Let's look for something else. What about like a bar graph or something? Choose something like this, like that sliding bar, similar to the pie chart. Gives a nice simple percentage. Oh, take that out of there. Or we can do a more complex bar graph. Now, there's lots of options. You can change around all these values so nothing's set like this, almost as if you're creating something in like Google Docs. But it's super easy because with Canva built into Aweber landing pages, we can just click Save, and our graph's already added to the page. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.